yourself before you believe in anyone else. There's no limit to success. You know, thank God for...
That's meant to be.
some inspirational snacks. What's up, guys? So I'm on my way back to the shop. I'm stuck in some road construction right now, but getting ready to meet my friend Jennifer at the shop. We have been Instagram friends for quite a while now, and she is one badass woman, so I'm super excited for you guys to meet her. And I will link her Instagram and everything in the description box, because if you guys don't follow her and you love women in the automotive industry, then what are you doing with your life? So you need to follow her. She is a professional detailer, ceramic coater, and a trainer for IGL Coatings, and just all around an awesome entrepreneur, freaking hustler, blue collar girl. And I'm super excited to finally meet her in person. So me, her, and the boys are gonna go grab some dinner. The boys, I love how I just said that. Me, her, and the boys, you know. We're gonna go grab some dinner and just chat a little bit, because this will be the first time we're meeting. So I think she was rolling through Texas from a training that she was probably teaching, because she travels across the country and trains for the IGL Coatings, which is so cool. So she was swinging through and she texted me today and she was like, hey, you know, if you wanted to meet, let's meet up. I'm like, let's do it. So yeah, she should be at the shop when I get there. This is so weird. Like, I was gonna say, I told her, I'm like, I never really have cameras around when I first meet people because it's weird, but no, I mean, like, you guys need to know who she is. So here we are with Jen. What's up? How would you describe yourself? I actually did an intro in the truck, so I described you pretty awesomely, but
I'm like a traveling gypsy in the wintertime, and then in the summertime I'm shackled to the shop.
Because she's from Minnesota, so it's freaking cold.
Yeah.
So don't blame me there.
Yeah. No, it's weird because nobody else like does videos.
Really?
Koa, come here. Hey, come here. And then this is Koa. She's my sidekick. Come here. So she comes with me everywhere.
Come on. You want to say hi?
Come on, Koa. She's actually like a pretty good photogenic.
She is. She's always so cute in her photos. Hi, baby girl. Just like, who is this? What is going on?
So yeah, it's pretty different here. I gotta say that. Warm trucks.
Yes.
Lots of trucks. Everybody owns trucks.
Yeah.
That's all I see.
She's high-end car girl. As you see, what? I was thinking, okay, so what is this? Because I don't even know. Is it an Audi, a Porsche? Like,
This is.
did I even say Audi right? Did I pronounce
No, you said
it right?
Audi right. You didn't say Porsche. Porsche right though. But no, it's an Audi all-road, and it's like one of the only Audis that don't come in a manual, so that's kind of disappointing. But
that sucks.
yeah, but it's okay. It's a road trip car, so I just. It's my first car that I ever like all the other cars I had payments, and this is the first car that I ever like got to buy, bought all the wheels, did all the things. So
awesome.
it's
I have a box for you, by the way. Don't look at the inside of this thing.
oh my lord,
It's like, is this your truck? No,
totally
I just been living out of
fangirling out
JC's
here.
Here you go, and there's stuff for her in there too.
Oh my god!
I got some stuff for you in there. Oh my god, pretty girl.
I got a sweatshirt and a t-shirt. Oh my god, are you? Oh, and I also brought you. I don't know if I should put it on camera. Oh, this is just something that I like to give people
always cut it out.
in case they want to work with their friends. But so I just wanted to be able to do dick moves to people.
Yes.
And so like it started with me like cutting out a dick vinyl, and then I like sent this to my like vinyl guy, and I'm like, hey, can you like make this? And I like drew the pattern.
Oh my god.
So you can take some of these and
That
then like.
is so great.
I mean, I like to put them in like gas tanks or like underneath a hood.
And they're like, what the hell?
because when they go to car shows, they'll pop the hood and they'll be like, oh, check this out, and then there's like a dick there, and they're like, shit. So.
That is so funny.
So yeah.
You can show the camera. We'll just bleep whatever. We have to give JC a rainbow one.
Yep. Where should we put it?
Maybe. Because I drive his truck, so it's not like we can put it on.
So JC is your.
He's like our best friend.
Okay.
He's basically like the extension of me and Zach. Like,
Okay.
it's basically
Your
us.
child?
Yes! Exactly. I'll just put it.
Toilet seat? Just kidding. There we go.
Ready?
Proper placement. Great
Nice.
welcoming gift.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh my god.
That's pretty cool too. This is
wish this was mine. Oh, it smells good. I'm such a nerd. It's probably clear.
And we got a nice little din at Chili's. Why am I in Zoom? Oh, look. This is I'm gonna drive now. Let's go, Mom. Oh, bye. She's so cute. See you later. I'll come back now. Bye. So, I haven't had Facebook in like 2 years. Well, I've had it, I just haven't used it. So I downloaded everything off my old one, just pictures and stuff, and I created a new one for business purposes because I don't like to go in there and chit chat. So I created a new one, and I just asked Zach if he wanted to be Facebook friends.
Too bad I'm famous and I have too many friends.
Well, that was my problem on my other one. You're gonna be my Facebook friend though, right? What'd he say? Did you add my Facebook?
Bitches catch fishes.
No.
That's not you.
No, that's not me.
It says it's you. And you're in Dallas and you're single.
Oh, well, that's where you know it's wrong.
It clearly says bitches catch fishes.
Well, I don't catch many fishes.
No. Oh, diss you.
That's me.
Why are we taking it apart again? I
We're
don't
not
understand.
taking it apart.
Oh, okay.
Let me do my job.
Okay.
You go do your
Hey,
job somewhere else.
everything's ready. It's ready to go. It's ready to go in the truck.
Yeah,
I don't
it
know.
came like
I don't
this,
know
actually.
why we're
It was
even
just
filming.
a at-home just kit.
Yeah,
It's like easy
you
bake
can order
oven.
it just like that, and we're ready to go.
That is not how it went down. I like that battery.
I'm kind
We're
of.
keeping this battery. It's
I'm putting this in the truck. We're taking both.
it's a show battery. I need a battery sponsor. Anyone? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so we have our Hornblasters kit here. We've got it all assembled on the table before it actually goes on the truck. So the horns were paint matched Magma Red to match the truck by Stefan at Devilish Trends. And then we have the Wicked Customs, custom Hornblasters little, what do you call it, a holder?
It's a Hornblasters mount. It's made.
It's with both. The first one's with the K, the last one's with the C. So, Wicked Customs made this custom Hornblaster holder thing.
It's not custom. You can actually order that one. That
Not with the
exact model.
BCC logo, you can't.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, exactly. So, this one has a custom with a K BCC logo in it.
And it's BCC with a C.
Yeah, so that just gives it a nice little extra touch
It's-
underneath the truck.
That nobody will see.
Yeah.
Bro, and you ruined my line.
My bad. My bad.
I'm trying to get famous. You ain't gonna be nobody, little Mexican. Ruining my lines.
Put you on a t-shirt. So anyways, I think Jason.
Wow.
I don't know what the Mexican
Don't go like that.
I'm gonna put you on my own
Black
t-shirt.
people are on t-shirts.
Megan prints t-shirts. Megan, can you put him on a t-shirt, please? Thanks. I love how we have our live reaction audience here tonight. So anyways, so I think that JC is so proud of this because it takes like 800 hours to do this
I
correctly.
literally cut my finger off.
And so he's been at this for a while now. So like I said, he assembled it all here on the table. We're gonna test it out, make sure everything's working right before they put it on the frame. So
Should we go back from the top so we
that's what we're about to do.
can explain the mount better?
Yeah, no, we're keeping all of that. You have something you want to
Because you were
explain?
talking about the mount, and I was gonna say why this mount's different than
Let's
like
hear it.
the regular mount.
Okay, so we have the regular mount that we're not using. Tell them why it's different.
So these are for any levels. We have Wicked designed these for any levels because these go under where the back bracket is, where the any level is, and it makes it a lot easier if that whole part's not there. The any level fits a lot better without that. So we had them build this without the little wings like the
Nice.
31 over there.
Okay, so we've got the original here. It's probably heavy. So it's without these.
No,
See-
see the little wings right there on
Yeah,
the very
these.
outside? They got rid of those and mounted it straight across the middle on cross
Nice.
members.
See, I thought you just had one custom made because it had the logo on it. Makes sense.
It's
The more you
custom-made
know.
for the any levels.
Cool. I love that.
We're gonna,
So they're pretty much got the old frame off any levels down to an art here. It's kind of the special.
Catch me. I'm new. I'm gonna put power to the pressure solenoid to tell the, well, I'm kind of wiring around everything right now, like the switch, the activation switch. I'm putting power to the pressure switch to tell the pumps to kick on. We'll make sure they time out and get the pressure correctly. Then we can make some noise.
Heck yeah.
Oh my god, I was expecting the honk already. Sorry, just warn me before.
I'm going to activate the pump. I wouldn't be on that side of the water over there,
So you were gonna make me go off. Okay, I thought it was a surprise.
but the whole thing just blows up.
Message of the day. Was it good, nice phone?
Now,
Oh, okay.
you're on my time, mother.
Good thing you can bleep on this, right? Okay, so.
Hey, look, they're all together now. Tater, come over here.
Okay.
No, they don't like it. Now it looks like we're torturing dogs.
I know, I wanted them to be chilling and get the first reaction, but you ruined that. Okay, go.
Well, Vega knows what's happening. So we made sure the pressure sensor works, it kicks off. Now the only thing left to do is be obnoxious.
Okay, go.
Well, Vega knows what's happening.
Go.
So we made sure the pressure sensor works, it kicks off. Now the only thing left to do is be obnoxious.
Tater's like, nope. I feel like the train outside is honking back.
He's honking